Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Ishmehan of Asha. Today I will tell about a unicorn story. Let's get started, come on! The unicorn. Once upon a time there was an orchard where many animals live. The animals in the orchard are very happy. So one day, in the evening, a storm came. A horse named Mary was running at the time. Suddenly some lightning came and exploded on her. And let's that story. Soon, Mary became a beautiful unicorn with a magical horn on its head. Then, on the next Thursday, come on, the unicorn proudly riding in the orchard. Suddenly, a fairy appeared who was holding a glass of magical milkshake. The fairy offered the milkshake to the unicorn and asked the drinking to start to transform and into a beautiful girl. It was sweet. Come on, the next one. It is the last. All the animals were surprised and started at her. They welcomed the cute little girl on the orchard. They lived happily and very together. So, what can we get from here? That we will always be together. Okay? Fi amanillah guys. Bye.